Hello, transformation. Welcome back to another video. Today video we're gonna do IMV newest lip creation. You guys are familiar with me with doing my lip combos, and today I want to bring something a little familiar back to the platform. So I'm going to be testing out 4 of IMV's lip plump lip liners. So they mostly give you the juicy lips and natural feeling. So I'm going to show you guys with the different 4 lip liners, and we're going to see which one you guys like, and let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to be using Ruby Kisses. It's called Soft Brown. This is number 4. And I also have some lipsticks. I'm going to start off with the Tint Lip Balm Orange Red. So we're going to see how these 2 colors mix well together. So I'm going to push, so it's like a pen. As you guys see, it's coming out. I'm going to outline my lips. So it's like a nude color. And you see how it looks. You guys see the color just a little bit. Then I'm going to use this color here. So these are the lips I have here with those 2. And we cannot forget, we're going to use their Ultra Lip Gloss. This is the argan oil. I'm going to put some on top. Orange red. I mix these 2 together to achieve this look, and I put some lip. Number 2. This one, let me see the name of this one. This one is Nude Pink, and this is number 03. And I'm going to use also my Ruby Kisses Chocolate Super Rich Cream lipstick in number 20. And we're going to do this again. We're going to do it like a little ink pen, and then we're going to outline the lips. A Nude Pink. And then I'm going to use this brown lipstick I love so much. Okay, not bad at all. So this is the look here for look number 2. I only use Nude Pink, and I use Chocolate Lipstick by Ruby Kisses and a clear gloss on top. So I really love this one as well. So tell me what you guys think about look number 2. Look number 3, I'm going to be using Plum Berry plump lip liner, and I'm going to use Ruby Kisses magenta lipstick. This is number electric magenta number 16. So I'm going to outline my lips with the plum, with a berry, I'm going to call it. And let's see. Now, I do like how it just easily come on. And then I'm going to use like this magenta lipstick. And then put my lips together. Ooh, pretty. And then we're going to put some lip gloss on top. I like this one too. I don't know which one I like the best. You guys have to help me out. Which one you guys like? Our last final look. This one is red wine lip liner, and then I'm going to use Ruby Kisses lipstick. This one's the Matty. This one is Aphrodite. So we're going to see how these two colors blend well together. So we're going to outline the lip portion. All right. And then we're going to use Aphrodite lipstick. Rub lips together. Okay. It's going to give me I think the look we had for look 2 a little bit. But this is cute as well. So tell me what you guys think. Which look did you guys like? Look 1, 2, 3, or 4? I really enjoyed them all. So you guys tell me which ones you like. Comment down below. I will put the name of each one in the description for you guys. And yeah. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my platform. And if you want to see more videos like this from me being an ambassador with I Envy, the newest looks, newest line, just comment down below and get this video up to 100 views. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget, subscribe, and we're going to transform together. I'll see you guys in my next one. Ciao.